If you're holding XRP right now, you need to see this before May 29th. Most people scrolling through their feed have no idea what's about to happen in the next few weeks. But if you're an XRP holder, this might be one of the most important videos you watch all year. Today we're talking about something that almost nobody is connecting right now. The combination of a massive new wave of global liquidity from the Federal Reserve and the launch of 24/7 XRP futures trading on May 29th. You might think you already understand how money printing affects crypto. Most people believe that when the Fed starts printing, prices just go up immediately. But here's the truth, that's not how it actually works. There's a very specific pattern, and if you don't understand it, you're going to get caught off guard. I've spent the last several years studying exactly how liquidity cycles, institutional moves, and infrastructure upgrades affect XRP and the broader market. And I've seen this exact setup play out before. In this video, I'm going to break down the complete picture step by step, so you know exactly what's coming, why it matters, and what you should be doing right now as an XRP holder. Let's start with the biggest macro driver right now, the Federal Reserve. Just a few days ago, it became clear that the United States is beginning a new phase of quantitative easing. The Fed is planning to inject $7 billion into the economy starting next week, and this is only the beginning. What most people don't realize is that this isn't happening in isolation. China and Europe are also expected to increase liquidity significantly over the coming months. We're looking at a global expansion of the money supply. When the global M2 money supply rises, there is historically a very strong correlation with crypto prices. More money in the system means more capital looking for returns, and crypto, especially altcoins, has always been one of the biggest beneficiaries. Right now, we're seeing year-on-year M2 growth of around 4.5 to 4.7%, and analysts expect this number to stay between 4 and 6% throughout 2026. That's a meaningful amount of new money entering the global financial system. This is the foundation of everything we're going to talk about today, because without understanding where the liquidity is coming from, you won't understand why the next few months could be so important for XRP specifically. Now here's where most people get it completely wrong. They think that the moment the Fed starts printing money, crypto prices explode immediately. But that's not what actually happens. There is almost always a 3-month lag between the start of major liquidity injections and the real price appreciation in crypto. We saw this exact pattern in 2020. When QE began, Bitcoin and the broader market actually corrected first. Many people got scared and sold. Then, roughly 3 months later, we saw one of the biggest bull runs in crypto history. The same thing happened in previous cycles. The market doesn't move in a straight line. It often needs time to digest the new liquidity before the real move begins. This is why understanding timing is so important. If you expect instant results, you're going to get disappointed and possibly make emotional decisions. But if you understand the lag, you can position yourself calmly and take advantage of any dips that happen in the meantime. While the liquidity story is powerful on its own, there's something even more specific happening with XRP. On May 29th, that's in just 2 days, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is launching 24/7 trading for XRP futures for the first time in history. This is a massive infrastructure upgrade. Until now, institutions that wanted to trade XRP futures had limited hours and higher friction. Starting May 29th, they will be able to trade around the clock with much more efficiency. When big money gets easier access to an asset, it usually flows in. We've seen this pattern with Bitcoin and Ethereum futures in the past. Every time a major exchange added better infrastructure, it preceded significant inflows. This is not just another piece of news. This is the kind of institutional on-ramp that can change the entire liquidity profile of XRP, and it's happening at the exact same time as the new wave of global money printing. Senator Cynthia Lummis recently gave a very direct warning to traditional banks. Adapt to crypto or you're going to die. She wasn't exaggerating. Right now, some of the largest financial institutions in the world, including JP Morgan, Visa, and Mastercard, are already running live pilots and using XRP and the XRPL for real transactions. They're not doing this because they suddenly became crypto fans. They're doing it because the technology gives them a massive competitive advantage in speed and cost. And once the biggest players start moving, the rest of the industry usually follows. We also saw this week that billionaire investor Vivek Ramaswamy's firm bought over $85 million worth of Bitcoin. When high net worth individuals and institutions start accumulating during periods of uncertainty, it's often a very strong signal. This institutional adoption is happening quietly in the background, while most retail investors are still focused on price charts. That's exactly why the people who pay attention to these deeper signals tend to outperform. So, what does all of this actually mean for the price of XRP? Based on historical cycles and current liquidity conditions, the realistic base case for the next 12 to 18 months looks like this. Bitcoin could realistically see gains between 50% and 150%, while XRP and other high beta altcoins have historically delivered much larger moves in these environments, often in the range of 400% to 500% during strong bull phases. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but the setup we have right now, new liquidity, major infrastructure upgrade, and growing institutional interest, is one of the cleanest we've seen in years. This is why I keep saying the same thing. Use this period to accumulate. Take advantage of any dips, build your position while the broader market is still uncertain. Because when the lag period ends and the real move begins, the people who are already positioned will benefit the most. All right, let's bring it all together. We have a new wave of global liquidity starting with the Fed's $7 billion injection. We have a 3-month lag that history has shown us again and again. We have 24/7 XRP futures launching on May 29th. And we have major institutions and high net worth individuals already moving into the space. All of these pieces are coming together at the same time. If you're an XRP holder, the next few weeks are going to be very important. Make sure you understand what's happening before May 29th. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.